Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you on how to make a study area map in Arc GIS. Open Arc GIS software. Now you need the save file of the country map. Download it for that. The download link is also placed in its description. Download the country map for India. Select India, okay. Download. Extract all content of the download folder. Go to Arc GIS. Before drawing anything, you need to set the view of the page. Now click on Add Data to choose and load map. This is map of India country. Similarly, you can download the map of Nepal. Download boundary of the Nepal. Click on Add Data to load map of the Nepal. Now, before add and draw anything, you need to set the view of the page. Go to View, click Layout View. Right click on the outside of the view page, then click Page and Page Setup. Choose name of printer, paper size and its orientation. And landscape. Click OK, yes. Adjust the size of the data frame face as your needs. For example, our location of the study area is Sunkosi Rural Municipality in Okhaldunga district in Nepal. Now, go to Add Data. Find your save file of the country map which was downloaded. Boundary of all the local units are shown in this map. Right click here in your name. Then click Open Attribute Table. Select row of District Okhaldunga where all rows of local units in Okhaldunga. District Okhaldunga. District Okhaldunga is selected. Then click Close. Again, right click on the layer name, go to Data, click Export Data. Choose folder to save the exported file and type of the file name, Okhaldunga. OK, click Yes. Okay, and click Save. Yes. Now go to Insert, click Data Frame. This is a new data frame. We have to show the selected district Okhaldunga. Go to layer list, drag the exported layer name Kolunga to the new data frame. Or go to Add Data, and select the exported file. You can change color of the path. Now right click on layer of the new data frame and go to open attribute table. Select local unit. Local unit Sunkoshi is selected. Now go to data and export data. File name is Sunkoshi. Type Sunkoshi and save it. Go to insert and data frame. Right click and export it. Layer of the previous data is dragged. Insert title, type the title name. And insert text for the map heading. You can choose font size and font type. Okay. Copy the text and paste another data frame. Type the name of district, Okolunga. And this is Sunkoshi Rural Municipality. Go to insert and north arrow, insert north arrow. Edit the heading, just type a study area map. And insert the scale bar. Choose the scale bar. Just adjust the scale. and go to File to print the map. Print in PDF or export the map in PDF. Open the exported file of the prepared map.